This video highlights specific steps for sharing Google Documents and resources within your email as you send that out through eSchool. So the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure we've done our due diligence to share the Google Doc or slides or resource itself. You can see that they default to private, so we're going to want to make sure to click Share, Get Shareable Link, and then this defaults to anybody in Northwest. Since we're going to be sharing this with families, we're going to want to click on the Can View to get the More option, and then Anybody with the Link. This allows anybody with the link to view this document. One way that you can share this document so it's very easy for families to view is to create a preview link. This means that we're going to change this word edit to say preview. If you share this link in an email with parents, you'll see that they don't see any type of editing bar or anything like that on the side. It's just a nice, clean resource. Once I copy my link, I'm going to go over to eSchool. Now remember, I've gone to Class Management and Email, and then I can choose whether I want this to go to a specific class, all my classes, and then to students, guardians, or both. Once I have that filled in, I'm going to go ahead and type my email as normal, and then I want to link in my document. I could simply do Control-V to link it in this way, and that would be okay. You can also clean this up by putting in some actual text here instead of the hyperlink. So what you would do is find the Create Link icon right here. When you click on this, you're going to paste in your preview link and then choose the text that you want on top of that. So maybe this is week of April 6 lesson plans. Okay, so now you can see that this is the hyperlink to your lesson plan. One more step that I would recommend everyone do before sending their email is to make sure to click on Preview and then check this link to make sure it looks just like you want it to. So you can see this is a very clean look right here, and that's what parents will see. So I'm going to go back to Design, and this looks good to go. You would finish out your email and then click Send. Another thing to note is that you'll want to make sure that any link that is embedded into your document is also shared anybody with the link can view. That could be a video, a link to another document, but you'll want to make sure that students and families can view all of the links within your document. Since eSchool doesn't allow you to put in a signature, it's a good idea to maybe put your name, your office hours, any information that you want in as a signature. And then we're recommending that we do link to Google Docs within emails because they will send a lot quicker than it would be using attachments.